Diane is asking, what is your thought behind an ACoS of 30% in this example? So Diane's very smart here because most of us have a profit margin of 30%. So, you know, they're saying, hey, Andy, you're giving away all of your profit margin. Why would you want to do that?
Well, so
is it simply an example or is it part of the idea?
No, it's simply an example. So you're going to have to, so there's a couple of different ways to look at PPC. There's kind of 3 stages of PPC. There's a launch phase, which you're going to see ACoS that's going to be really high. It could be over 100%. It could be, you know, even higher than that. Then there's a there's kind of a an organic way of looking at it. So, you know, maybe you're breaking even on PPC, but it's helping your organic ranks, and you have a organic and offsite traffic campaign in place. So you don't care if you break even because you're really trying to push, say, a specific keyword or, you know, something like that. There's a reason that you're keeping your ACoS high. One of them is organic ranking. So, you know, targeting keywords to rank organically. For our business, that's what we do a lot. PPC to us is a way to rank organically, and we see the return on our organic sales rather than on our PPC sales. So that's what people don't realize. Like, the ACoS is a little bit deceiving in the fact that if your target ACoS is 30%, you have no idea. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't give you, you know, the relationship of how many sales you're now gaining because your rank has moved up from running those ads. You get, you know, there's no data on that. So you have to look at the ACoS a little bit differently if you're looking at ranking organically. Now the third way of running PPC is, you know, a profit, you know, running PPC for profit. Now that's great. You know, if you can do that, and it depends on your niche, of course. If you're super competitive, it's going to be really, really hard to sit in that spot. If you're not competitive, then good for you. That's going to be easy. But if you're in a competitive niche, you're probably going to be close to your target ACoS all the time because of just the way that's going to work. You know, in order to maintain that level organically, you may be breaking even on PPC, but because of your volume, because it's an ultra competitive category, that's where you make it up. We are in an ultra competitive category, so that's the way that we run our PPC.